We've seen smartphone brands launch laptops before, and Infinix has been in this market for a while already. Along with the launch of its latest Zero series phones, Infinix also teased an upcoming laptop model, the Infinix Zero Book Ultra. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and today I'll be walking you through this first glimpse of the unreleased Infinix Zero Book. So let's get started. The Zero Book Ultra comes in an aluminium body with a matte texture. It does look like a MacBook Air from some angles, but as soon as you look at the top, you'll realize it's different. On the lid, we have a pattern that gives it a quirky vibe and a glowing Zero logo in the middle. The keyboard is backlit and the keys felt quite responsive when I tried using the laptop briefly. There are large speaker grills on the inside along with a fingerprint sensor. Let's get to the ports on this device. We have two USB Type-C ports, HDMI, and a USB 3.0 Type-A port on the left. There's a performance mode switch, USB 3.0 Type-A port, 3.5mm audio socket, and microSD slot on the right side of the device. The hinge of this laptop felt smooth. Performance seemed fine in the little time that I was able to spend with the Zero Book Ultra. It will be sold with up to a 12th gen Intel Core i9 processor, and we'll have full details of its specifications and performance closer to the official launch date in India. There's no official word on the pricing of the Zero Book Ultra in India yet, but Infinix says it will be priced competitively, just like its smartphones. That's it for today's video. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please like and share it. And for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.